Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick Shopify tutorial, I'll show you how to set up different menus for desktop and mobile versions of your Shopify store. For this example, we'll be using the Prestige theme, but the process is similar for many other Shopify themes as well. First, log in to your Shopify store. Once you're inside the admin dashboard, look at the left sidebar and select the sales channel you want to customize in most cases. That'll be your online store. Next, find the theme you want to edit and click the Customize button. This will open up the Shopify theme editor, where you can preview and modify your store's layout. Once the editor is open, click on the header section from the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the settings for your store's navigation menus. Now, scroll until you see the mobile menu option. Click the Select Menu button next to it. Here, Shopify will let you choose which menu to use specifically for mobile devices. You can either select an existing menu from your list, or create a brand new one. If you choose to create a new menu, Shopify will take you straight to the Add Menu page in your dashboard. From there, you can start adding your menu items one by one, things like Home, Shop, About, or Contact, along with their corresponding links. Once you've set everything up the way you like, click Save in the top right corner. That's it! You've successfully created a unique mobile menu for your Shopify store while keeping a separate one for desktop users. This is a great way to optimize your store's navigation for smaller screens and make browsing smoother for mobile customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out my other Shopify guides for more tips on customizing your store like a pro.